Okay, we're here in Temecula today. I get this question so often. Why does my drip system keep breaking even though it's only like 2 years old? Well, I have the answer. It's an easy answer, but I'm kind of tired of getting that question. But this happens the most for some reason in Temecula, it seems like, and it's always in backyards. So this property, this slope drip system keeps breaking, keeps coming apart, and instantly I knew what the problem was. The valve that was controlling it has no pressure regulation. So it's just straight street pressure coming in. So what it needed was to be cut out. We glued a new valve in with a 30 psi Rainbird filter regulator. This keeps the pressure at bay because these drip systems are not meant for 60, 70 psi. They can only take 40 at the very most, and that's the max. So if you have this issue with your drip system, you live in Temecula or anywhere else, you need a pressure regulator. It's non-negotiable.